Do you know anything about the healing methods our ancestors used before the era of modern medicine? They relied on nature's bounty, harnessing the power of plants and herbs to heal their ailments. Travel with us as we venture into the annals of history, exploring the genesis and evolution of herbal medicine. We'll journey from the sandy dunes of Egypt to the dense forests of America, uncovering humanity's age-old dependence on plants for medicinal purposes. Willow bark, for example, a natural analgesic, and lavender, known for its soothing effects, have been passed down through the ages as remedies for various health issues. The ancient Egyptians, for instance, employed bark to alleviate discomfort and pain. They recognized the intrinsic healing power of this humble tree. Likewise, the Romans utilized lavender for its antiseptic properties. They used it for wound cleaning and preventing infections, highlighting their advanced understanding of herbal medicine. They were not alone. Such practices existed across varied civilizations, demonstrating the universality of nature-based healing. As we delve deeper, we'll uncover more fascinating facts, herbs, and their usage in different cultures. We'll learn about their cultivation, preparation, and application in medicine, providing a comprehensive understanding of their historical and contemporary significance. It's an eye-opening journey into the past, revealing the origins of many practices still used in modern medicine. Stay tuned to learn more about the intriguing world of herbal medicine, its progression over time, and its impact on our modern lives. Don't go. As we leaf through the herbal annals, we find ourselves in the Middle Ages, a time when plants were revered as healers. Sage and thyme were two such botanical marvels. Sage was lauded for its potential to boost life expectancy. Thyme was thought to ward off nightmares, offering restful sleep. But plant-based healing wasn't just confined to Europe. It was also deeply rooted in the East, particularly in traditional Chinese medicine. There we find ginseng, an energy enhancer, and ginger, a remedy for nausea. These plants have maintained their significance from ancient times to the present. Today you can find these old-world herbs in everyday products. Ginseng, for instance, is an ingredient in many energy drinks. And ginger, it's a go-to for cold and flu relief, served as warm tea or soup. As we trace the history of herbal medicine, we see that these simple plants, once the cornerstone of ancient healthcare, continue to play a vital role in our lives. So, let's continue to uncover the tales of these green heroes. Stay tuned. As we continue our exploration, it's time to dive into the intriguing associations between the humble herbs that grow in our backyards and the scientifically advanced medicines in use today. Did you know that aspirin, a simple yet vital drug that is widely used around the globe for alleviating pain and reducing inflammation, traces its roots back to the humble willow tree? Its origin story is truly illuminating. The willow tree's bark houses the chemical compound that led to the invention of aspirin. This intriguing fact was well known to ancient civilizations, who wisely made use of the bark by chewing on it for quick, natural pain relief. Moving forward, let's shed light on another herbal wonder: thyme. This aromatic herb, an old companion from the medicinal practices of the Middle Ages, has found a robust place in the modern pharmaceutical industry. In particular, thyme has been adopted and incorporated into the manufacturing of effective cough syrups, a testament to its therapeutic properties. The herb's powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties make it an ideal ingredient for these remedies. The journey of these green warriors, from being integral parts of ancient folklore and traditional medicine practices to finding a spot in the neatly arranged shelves of our medicine cabinets, is a testament to their enduring appeal and effectiveness. These herbal heroes have evolved and adapted to the changing world, proving their vast potential in the realm of healthcare and medicine. Did you know these facts on herbal medicine and the surprising and vast potential of these plants? Leave your impressions in the comments.